Welcome to new video. My channel Surds. I'm going to start second part of this question. Last part we have completed number A, where we have proven p equals to root 5 plus 2 from p²-9 equals to 4 root 5. This video we will find out p to the power 4 minus 1 by p to the power 4. But this question also need our given option. Given here what? Given p²-9 equals to 4 root 5, right? But from A we get what? P equals to root 5 plus 2. How? You can see the last video where we already proved p equals to root 5 plus 2. So we already get this one, but p to the power 4 minus 1 by p to the power 4, we need p and also 1 by p. So 1 by p, how can we find? 1 divide p. It means 1 divide root 5 plus 2. But this scenario we cannot keep any root in denominator. So we can multiply this fraction by root 5 minus 2. So here will be root 5 plus 2 times root 5 minus 2, right? Now look, here is a root 5 minus 2, and this is looking a plus b, a minus b. It means root 5 square minus 2 square. Okay, so this one is root 5 minus 2. Root 5 square means 5 minus 2 square means 4. So 5 minus 4, it will be 1. So ultimately 1 divide p equals to root 5 minus 2. Very simple. Okay, now we can easily find out what is p to the power 4 minus 1 by p to the power 4. So look, here is also one thing we also need. So p plus 1 by p. Why? Look, here is p to the power 4 minus 1 by p to the power 4. This one is looking right, p square minus 1 by p square. It means p square plus 1 by p square, and then p square minus 1 by p square, right? Now look, this one also we can write p plus 1 by p whole square minus 2 times p times 1 by p, right? And this one is p square minus 1 by p square. As per a square minus b square, we can write p plus 1 by p times p minus 1 by p. Now look, everywhere we need p plus 1 by p or p minus 1 by p. So this one also we can find out earlier. So p plus 1 by p, we can write p means root 5 plus 2, and here is plus 1 by p means root 5 minus 2. So this plus 2 and minus 2 out. So here will be 2 root 5. Okay, we just keep this one. Next, again p minus 1 by p. P means root 5 plus 2 minus 1 by p, it means root 5 minus 2. So here is root 5 plus 2, then minus root 5, minus and minus plus, here is 2. So what is happening in here? Here root 5 minus root 5 out, 2 plus 2, it will be 4. 4, it means this is p minus 1 by p. 2 root 5, it means p plus 1 by p. Okay. Now 1 by 1 we will put this value in here. P plus 1 by p, we already get 2 root 5, and here is square. This p and this p out, so here is 2. Okay, and we can keep second bracket. Again, here is what? Here is p plus 1 by p. It means 2 root 5 times p minus 1 by p, it's a 4. Okay, then 2 square, it means 4. Root 5 square, it means 5 minus 2. Okay, then times 2 times 4 is a 8 root 5. 4 times 5 is a 20, then minus 2, and here is what? Times 8 root 5. So 20 minus 2, 20 minus 2, what is the value? 20 minus 2 is a 18. 18 times 8, you can use calculator. 18 times 8, it will be 144. It means 18 times 8 root 5. So 18 and 8, once we multiply, it will be 144, and this is root 5. So finally, this is our result of what? This is p to the power 4 minus 1 by p to the power 4. So finally we can say number B done. Okay, so second part and number B both done. Please note that we have to need number A to find out the value of number B, and also once we try to prove number C, that time also we need number A and number B. But this is also separate math. If number A and B will not come in the examination hall, but number C is come, that time also you have to find out number A and B. So all are separate question. So no more today. Thank you very much being with me. Next video will come very soon, which is number C. Till then, take care, keep practice, and don't forget subscribe my channel Surds. Thank you.